it goes away.
Alright, young Groms, I am getting ready for a night shift right now. As you guys saw, we surfed this morning. The wind was onshore from Hurricane Ernesto, but there was long period swell. The beach we were surfing at was kind of doing its classic like TP-shaped waves, but that's all over now. We surfed this morning, it was pretty fun, but I got a package just in time. As an intern, I have to work like 6 days a week, and luckily Magic Mind, I've been working with them for a while and I've been really excited about their products. So I've become an ambassador now for Magic Mind. I'm really stoked on our partnership. I've been drinking it now for like 1.5 years. And this couldn't have come at a better time because I am about to go into a night shift right now. So we're gonna open up this box. So we're stoked. We got a whole bunch of good stuff in here. This is what it looks like when you order Magic Mind. Yeah, it's got matcha, nootropics, adaptogens. My favorite part is like the matcha and the olive oil because that's all natural, and like, look at that. Look at this goodness right here. We're so stoked on that. So I'm gonna take one right now, and I'm probably gonna bring like 2 or 3 more with me. I can just throw them right here during my shift. It has 55 milligrams of caffeine in it, so it'll get you going. Yeah, great taste, just like tastes good. So I'm gonna take one more because surfed all morning. Always gotta double check that we got stethoscope and ID badge. Stethoscope, scrub cap, extra Magic Mind, more Magic Mind, ID badge, stethoscope. We're ready to go. Let's do this. I'm already feeling super stoked after some Magic Mind. I was definitely tired when I woke up, and I don't know how I can make it through like a 12-hour shift without a little bit of caffeine. So I'm really stoked on this. We're biking right now. It's raining, but we're stoked. Out here getting exercise, saving gas money, and gonna go help some children right now. When you're in the process of becoming an emergency med doctor, you have to spend a lot of time working in pediatrics, because if you're working at like a community emergency medicine site, anything can come in, including like a kid. And kids have like a lot different anatomy. They respond different to medications, and their disease course happens really fast. So if they have asthma, they might not be able to hold on as long as like an adult can. So we need a lot of training in pediatrics. Luckily, I left with like a ton of time, and the Magic Mind is kicking in right now, so I have a ton of energy. Kind of good to start off with 2. I am like super energized, and this is normally like a bike ride that I do in a sprint because I'm running late, but today I have plenty of time. So we're just cruising right now, and feeling the light rain is almost like kind of therapeutic after a long surf session. So I'm so stoked about getting a good workout in before a night shift. And yeah, stay tuned because we're gonna cut to when I'm super tired, done with these 12 hours, and hopefully heading home for a rest. It is 7:20 in the morning, and I had like a really sad case to end the shift, and I'm just trying to like remember not to like internalize or like fully like think about like the sad things that happen to my patients. I just got back. I guess what I was trying to say earlier was that you don't want to internalize like the bad things that happen to your patients, and you want to be empathetic, but you can't like hold on to the bad things, because like the nature of an emergency medicine doctor's job is dealing with like really sad things that happen to people. And yeah, it sucks. Like, and I'm probably someone who like lean towards is more like internalizing it and like feeling sad with them. But yeah, like I was just joking around with one of the nurses, like after my shift about like our allergies and how much it sucks to have allergies. And I felt like that just helped, like, I don't know, kind of like vent off some of the like sadness I was feeling for my shift. But yeah, it was overall a good shift. I learned so much. I'm in my intern year and I'm just out here learning. I'm like a sponge right now, just trying to learn as much as I can. But I've fully made it home, showered, and I've actually just been like chilling. I ate and it's actually like 10 o'clock. So now I'm gonna try to go to bed. I don't know why, I just like wasn't that tired when I got home. Groms, because of my like circadian rhythm that might like still be here, I only slept for like 3 hours. I'm really tired. I'm gonna get some work done editing and uploading a video, but yeah, haven't scored. I got 1 hour sleep right now, which is great. If you can get any sleep like in the morning and some sleep right before your shift, you're gonna be good all night. So I'm fired up right now. Let's drive to work, and then we're meeting up with Jack McCabe tomorrow and we're going surfing. So we're stoked. We are making our way to the hospital right now. I saved this nice cold Magic Mind because I don't have air conditioning. So I'm gonna drink one right now as we're driving there. We just made it here, and yeah, there's nothing to do but just go into this shift and work super hard. All right, young Groms, we just got off the night shift. I'm absolutely drained, but there's still waves. Hurricane Ernesto is like a 4 or 5 day event here, so we're gonna get in the water right now. No sleep since like a 1 p.m. nap yesterday. I actually ran home to get my GoPro because the waves are actually kind of cranking and I didn't have anything to film on. So yeah, I just ran home real quick. We're about like 20-30 minutes from the beach, so we gotta zoom, get down there because the wind is supposed to be onshore and it's like totally dead right now. So it's a race against the wind right now. All right, guys, fatigue is just not real when there's waves. Like I can just keep going. Like I was so tired around like 5:30 in the morning. My eyes were like shutting. I only had one patient and they were gonna be sent home and we were just like waiting to get another temperature on them, and I'm like, my eyes were just like shutting. Like I was so tired. There was nothing happening in the emergency room, but I'm so stoked now. Now that I saw the cam, it was supposed to be like onshore and it's like firing right now. I'm pumped up, and Dupkin actually sent me like the last revision of our Iceland surf movie. He's been working so hard on it all summer, so I'm so pumped for that to finally drop. Yeah, I'm so fired up right now. It definitely motivated me to surf better because that was the first surf trip of like 4 epic surf trips. So I definitely wasn't surfing my best, or I was surfing pretty good. I just kept getting better. But next time I shoot a movie, I probably want to like go on a surf trip before that surf trip just to like really get dialed in. But yeah, we're pumped up right now. There's swell in the water. Let's get down to the beach and do this thing. Groms, this swell may have come to an end, but I literally got to seize every day, work super hard all night, and just push my body to the limit. Shout out to Magic Mind. I am an ambassador for them, but I love the product. I've been using it for like over a year and a half now, and it got me through 2 night shifts. It got me literally through the second half of med school, and I'm just so stoked. So I want to extend my Magic Mind stoke to you guys, and I have a free trial code, so you guys can get Magic Mind for free. That's right here down below. Check out my code. And like I said, this swell is over. Hurricane Ernesto, thank you guys so much for the waves, and we'll see you on the next hurricane swell.